Mother Nature, the Creator's creation, it still exists. We have seen its beauty with the naked eye, but we have forgotten to take care of Mother Nature. We often forget that we are nature. Mother Nature is not something separate from us. We need to bend back with Mother Nature, because that's where you can find real serenity. Let us revive the Mother Nature for our own good. Let us restore the Mother Nature, because this might be the last creation left on earth, and without it, we are doomed. The beauty of Mother Nature that we witnessed is beyond explanation. In all the things of Mother Nature, there is something marvelous. The beauty can be seen as well as it can be felt. I took a walk in the woods and came out taller than the trees. We have felt an inner peace because of Mother Nature, and now it's your turn to feel. Let us combine an effort to make Mother Nature relive again with joy, peace, and love.